Wow, so far the M235i still looks freaking good. So the 128i, I already addressed the front bumper to change the look of the car. So in today's video, I'm gonna do the rear end. So what I got here is a package from Europe. So this is the this is the blackline brake lights. So right now I still have the stock tail lights, and this will change after that. It's gonna look like a Euro spec tail lights when I install this tail lights. So hi guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm gonna install the blackline tail lights on the BMW 128i. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified as soon as I release the new videos. So guys, let's get started. So here we have to take out this cover here. This is an access to if you want to replace the bulb. All you have to do is snap it. And here we have a plastic rivet. So you're gonna need this tool to pop this plastic rivet here. And then you have to do the second one. Put that aside. So now we have to lift this rubber seal here for the trunk. You don't need to take it out completely. Just have to move it out of the way. About so. And then now you can have access to the 8mm nuts. So before you take out these three 8mm nuts that's holding the tail lights, first you have to unplug these two connectors for the light bulb. There's one here and another one over here. So unclip those and then you can take out those nuts. One. Just two. 8mm. That's one. And the last one. So then now you can slide this out. Give it a little bit of push inside. Just have to wiggle it. Wiggle it until it comes off. There you go. So for the new one, see, it's original BMW, made in Spain. So I don't want to remove the plastic protective cover yet until I install the tail lights completely. Then I will take it out, so to prevent it from getting scratched. So to install this back, it's the reverse process. All you have to do is put back the tail lights and plug in the same connector on the same place after you install the three nuts, 8mm nuts. You can just slide it in place. Put the second nut, third nut, You don't want to over tighten it. You just make it sure it's snug. The last one on the top here. You plug the one connector, second connector, that's it. So before you finalize the install, make sure the lights are working first and they are working properly. Amazing. It looks freaking good. Everything's working fine. Now it's time to do the second one. So put back the rubber seal on the trunk. Put the plastic rivet first. It's done. Put back the rubber seal on the trunk. Tuck in the panel inside the rubber seal, then put back the cover. Just have to line up these tabs here. You have to do the bottom one first, slide it onto the slot, and then just push the clip inside. That's it. So now it's installed. It's time to move on to the next one. So guys, I really like the blackline taillights on the 1 Series. It really does changes the rear end of the car. What a big difference. So guys, that's it for this video. So please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.